Dear students, today we are going to discuss about cytoplasm, one of the major part of a cell. It is a jelly-like fluid that fills a cell. It is made up of mostly water and salt. Cytoplasm contains molecules such as enzymes. Cytoplasm is made of 70% to 90% water and is colorless usually. It is a protoplasmic mass of the cell, inner to plasma membrane and excluding nucleus. So we could say that it is basically everything within the cell excluding the nucleus. So inner side cell minus nucleus equal to cytoplasm. And earlier we have seen the liquid part of the cell is protoplasm and inside the nucleus, the liquid part inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. So protoplasm minus nucleoplasm equal to cytoplasm. And this cytoplasm is made up of three components. The components are membrane enclosed organelle, cytosol and inclusions. We'll see what is membrane enclosed organelle. The membrane enclosed organelles are distributed throughout the cell cytoplasm. They are each specialized to perform a different function. Organelles are suspended in the cytoplasm. The next classes we are going to discuss about different organelles and its functions. The next one is cytosol. Cytosol is fluid part of cytoplasm. The gel-like substance that is enclosed within the cell membrane that is not held by the organelles inside the cell. The cytosol is a complex mixture of cytoskeleton filaments. We'll see what is cytoskeleton filament. The cytoskeleton filament is a complex dynamic network of interlinking protein filaments present in the cytoplasm of all cells. It extends from the cell nucleus to the cell membrane and is composed of similar proteins in the various organisms. And dissolved molecules and water. What are the dissolved molecules present in it? This is small and large molecule, the dissolved molecules and dissolved ions. Enzymes, fatty acid, sugars, nucleic acid and amino acid are used to keep the cell working. Waste products are present until it's removed. And it is a site of, cytosol is a site of many chemical reactions that are fundamental to the cell's existence. The third component is inclusion. These are stored nutrients, crystals, secretory products and pigment granules. They are the accumulation of materials that is not metabolically active. So, the cytoplasmic inclusions are non-living substances that are not bound by membranes. And inclusions are stored nutrients, secretory products and pigment granules. They are usually present in the cytosol only temporarily. And these non-living substances are usually non-soluble molecules. We'll see what are the different functions of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm aids in movement of genetic material and products of cellular respiration within the cell with the help of different organelles. It helps to fill out the cell and keep organelles in their place. And we see that all different organelles are kept in the cytoplasm. It gives the cell its shape. It aids to dissolve waste products. And cytoplasm prevents the grouping of organelles in place due to gravity that would prevent their function. It acts as a buffer and protects the genetic materials of the cell from damage caused due to the movement and collision with other cells. It aids in metabolic activity. Thank you.